Hi, I'm Sumit Jain, Director of Gujarat Copper Alloys Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We manufacture all type of copper and copper alloy products like busbars, rods, tubes, profiles, sections, etc. And these products are basically used in all over the world in all the electrical industries. And majorly the tubes have been used in the refrigeration and air condition industry. We provide a one-stop solution for all these products. Gujarat Copper basically got incorporated in 1990 by my father, Mr. Ramesh Jain. And in 2000, we got backward and forward integration and came under the name of Gujarat Copper Alloys with melting and upcasting along with all the facilities in-house under one roof. In 2023, we started a new facility in Vada under the same name, Gujarat Copper Alloys Limited, totally integrated plant for copper tube solutions.